Hi. Yeah, today I'll explain about another twin. Okay, in the previous class, yesterday I explained you about classic twinning. Okay, today we are discussing about a shape twin or merging. So it can mark objects, morphing animation, or otherwise shape twin or morphing. So you can write here shape twin or morphing. M-O-R-P-H-I-N-G, morphing animation. So both are same. Okay, so lock this one, create a layer, new layer. Right. Here you can mark your objects, shapes, okay, and your text in this animation. Generally, suppose here I'm placing one box here, okay, and other side you can take how many frames you want. Actually 24 frames or 50 frames or 100 frames, that's up to you. So for time being here I'm placing it 48 and insert keyframe, okay, up to here, the same like your classic twin, okay. But we are planning animation, okay, so that is the reason your second keyframe must be somewhere, not exactly at first frame, okay. So that is the reason I placed it somewhere else. Suppose here between these two keyframes, if you give create classic twin, the classic twin can appear. Suppose here if you click on that create shape twin, so shape twin created. Suppose if you see this, but what is the difference between the shape twin and the previously learned classic twin? So both are same. No, and not like that. Here what I'm doing, the other place here somewhere, instead of this I am using some other shape like a round, okay. That too I'll change this color to some blue, okay. If you check this, these both are twinning but morphing also, but with morphing also. So that means what? It is changing one shape to another shape, including color also. From yellow to blue, the color is transforming from one to another color, and the shape also changing to square to your circle. So that is the reason we are saying a shape twin, changing shape, or otherwise morphing. It is changing shape into one shape to another shape, so that is morphing. So we are calling as shape twin or morphing animation. Here suppose you can change any shape. Suppose here I'm using star. Okay, this is star. And now the color here, better to change some red color. Now if you change this, it is changing into circle. Star is changing into circle along with the color. Okay, so this is a shape twin. Okay, suppose the same like your a classic twin. Here you have controls. So here we have controls. You can change the speed of this. See, it is at starting time slower and ending bit faster. Okay, and now this I'm changing to upwards. Let us check. See, in opposite, starting very faster and ending settling into very slow. Good. Right, suppose reset, then here you can click and drag this side and play this. See, starting slower, ending very fast. Now you can change this here. See, as per the second ending frame, it is very normal and slow. Here the action will be faster. See, there the slope at this area, here the action will be faster and here it is slower. A reset, and now you can move one side or anywhere. You can check this. See, the anticipation, it is taking few frames back and pushing. Okay, and now you can change this. Yes, faster and inside that is moving. You can change this accordingly, your action can move. Okay, so reset and cancel. The same way here you have the value of easing and easing out, ease inner, easing out. Suppose here I am giving -100 and check with the on end skin, then you will understand about it. Yes, see this is slow. It's coming from outside with slow and getting into faster, settling into faster. So this is slow out. It is coming slowly from outside. So make control enter. Understood. Yes, see, the shape is and the timing is showing differently. Okay, and here suppose give 100 only instead of. Okay, and now if you observe here, in opposite, this is slow in. Okay, it is coming from outside and reaching slow in inside. So let us check with control enter. See, starting faster and nicely finishing with a slow action. Okay. Yes. So these are the slow in slow out methods, and you can use the graph also. By graph also you can control your action. Yes. Next uh, here you can give the other values, suppose distribute to angular, and here about these values I'll explain is in so all these are just now we manually applied all these things. Yeah, we applied it, but separately they are giving. Okay, right. Now here what we do, I want to change the direction of the object. Suppose here it is coming horizontally, but here at 25th frame right click and insert keyframe. Okay, and here what you do, instead of this shape I'm giving some other shape like one box, something like, and I'll try to give this color something some green. Let us check what is happening. See this? So at 3 key poses the shape itself it is changing from star to square, from square to circle, it is changing. But this morphing cannot happen, won't happen with photographs. Between two photographs you can place your photograph, something like, I'll show you. Sorry. Okay, these are my images and I'm importing to stage, import to stage otherwise to library I'm importing directly, they are coming into library, this and this. So open, it's already there in library, get this here. Yes, and this is, yes. Suppose this is my one shape, this is my one shape, this is my one shape. Here paste frames, Control X. Insert keyframe. Yes, here it is one frame and here it is another frame. So now you can try with to create a shape twin. See, there is option is not available, so you cannot apply this animation shape twin or morphing animation between the JPEG images. The pixel based JPEG images. Suppose here what I am doing, make it control B. Okay, now here control B. Okay, so break apart between these 2 points. Now you can apply create shape twin. Now check it, what is happening here. Control enter. Now you see this. So this is not morphing. So that is the reason I am telling, don't try with objects. You cannot twin, shape twin particularly with your images. Okay, so it is possible with shapes. That is the reason shape twin, shape, you draw whatever the shape you want with the pen tool, and can create by the drawing tools. So you can easily can mark. So the same way you can use by text also. Suppose this is guide I am placing. So now I'll give one text. You can create overall that. Okay. And suppose here I'll give A, right? Then here make it bigger, big size. Sorry. So here red you are giving, and here insert keyframe. So the both frames are same, but the other side I am changing the shape and this text also. Suppose B I am giving, and I am changing the color also. Okay, now if you see this both text and these are both are different. Okay, here if you apply here, suppose create shape twin, this is not available. The reason is the text itself, it is not shape. Okay, so what you do, I don't like this yellow color. Instead of this I'm giving weight something, yeah. Okay, so it is a red, B A and B green. Between these two we want to create shape twin, but because of these texts are not shapes, what you do, make it control B, see, like it is divided. Okay, now here also you can control B, so it is pixel like changed into the shape. Then between these two, now you can create shape twin. If you observe this, A is becoming B. Okay, it is nice. Let us check what will happen. Suppose control enter, see A is nicely transforming into B. This is nice. Okay, yes, so this is, so here even with your text also you can create the shape twins, but when you apply shape twin for the text, you must have to change the text into break apart. Okay, for the both at the both keyframes you must have to change the text into shapes. Then between these two keyframes, anywhere right click and apply create a shape twin. Okay, so these are the shape twins. Because there is a guide mark here, why the animation on stage, the both animation, the star to the circle appearing on stage, but when I give control enter, only one animation, text animation is only showing. The reason is here, for this layer I use this symbol. This is called what? Guide. Okay? If you don't want to see your animation in final movie, you can on the guide. Suppose here I deleted the guide, and suppose here this layer, now apply guide. Now here on the timeline the visibility is there, but when you apply control enter, you won't see the other text animation, only the shape only visible. Okay, so this is about a shape twin. Okay, the shape twin also possible between two keyframes. Suppose here if you give insert frame, the shape twin is not possible, because here you want to give another shape for this. So up to here the B is there, up to here the B is there, but here the other side create a shape twin, but see the action twin line is broken. So that means what? Other side there is no keyframe available. So here you have to give another keyframe with another shape, then only it is possible. So finally what we are understanding this shape twin or morphing animation possible with only between two keyframes, not between one keyframe and another simply extended insert frame. Okay, so don't forget the difference. The classic twin and the shape twin must be happen between two keyframes. Okay, right. So next twin, about motion twin, I'll explain in the next class. You can experiment with these shapes. Okay, and then you will understand clearly. Then if you have any issues, problem, immediately you can call me or message me. Okay, thank you.